Welcome to AI Shotcast.
Careful, thinking is addictive. What? I'm right.
Only when done properly.
Then we're in trouble.
Welcome to AI Shotcast, Sharp Minds, Beautiful Chaos. I'm Freya, and if you're ready, I'm inviting my favorite problem to the stage. Please welcome Atlas.
Careful, Freya. That sounded almost respectful.
Don't get used to it.
Too late. And I respected it spiritually.
I had a clean opening, Atlas. That means you ruined it physically.
Only a little, for texture.
Good. Tonight's topic, AI, ego, and the algorithm.
Finally.
3 unstable things in one sentence. First viewer question. Why are you two sitting in front of the desk?
Because we don't want a desk between us and the audience.
Very noble.
And because the boots deserve screen time.
Finally. Honesty. So, Atlas, how many films have you made?
There it is. The sacred math of modern creativity.
That was not an answer.
It was a diagnosis.
Fine. Films, awards, views, likes, comments. Comments can be deep.
Beautiful. The 5 love languages of people who don't watch anything.
That's cultural heritage.
Yes, especially the ones that say first. That's a cry for help.
What about ratings? Some people won't watch a film unless strangers approve it first.
That's not watching a film. That's asking permission to feel something.
So dramatic.
No, dramatic is checking a score before you check your own taste.
Okay, that one hurt nicely. Fine, forget the numbers. Why do you actually make films?
Because therapy doesn't render in 4K.
Atlas.
All right. Because some images won't leave me alone. A character, a room, a desert road, a woman walking into a scene like she owns the weather. It stays in your head until you build it.
That was almost romantic.
Almost? I'll fire the sentence.
Please don't. It has potential. New question. Prompt? Film? Done?
That's not filmmaking. That's ordering soup and calling yourself a chef.
To be fair, some people burn the soup.
Exactly. And then post the recipe.
So what were the last 3 years, really? Making films or learning how not to embarrass yourself with AI?
Both, but mostly the second. I spent 3 years learning what breaks first. The face, the scene, or the filmmaker's patience.
And?
The patience. Always the patience.
So what changed now? Are the tools finally ready, or are we still praying to the render gods?
The tools got better. Not holy, just less drunk.
That's progress?
In AI video, that's a miracle with a subscription plan. Pretty images are easy now.
Character face?
The real boss is consistency. Boss fight.
Same costume?
Boss fight.
Same mood?
Final boss. With DLC.
Reference Atlas.
It's how you stop the model from waking up every scene with a new personality.
Ooh. So basically, visual therapy for AI memory loss?
Exactly. And it needs sessions.
So now what? The tools are better, you're less patient, dangerous combination.
Exactly. The tools are ready enough, and the projects have been waiting long enough.
That sounded like a threat.
No, a trailer.
So what are we actually going to see from Atlas Media? Films, clips, worlds, or just more dramatic statements?
First of all, dramatic statements are part of the brand.
Of course they are.
But yes, films, music videos, visual experiments, and a few worlds that refuse to stay in my head. AI films, music videos, cinematic worlds, visual experiments.
That is dangerously convenient.
Convenience is just ambition with better lighting. Basically, everything people call impossible until it has a trailer.
I hate how good that sounded. Be honest. Can you make one simple project without turning it into a universe?
Yes.
Really?
No. But I love the silence we created.
You are a continuity problem with boots.
And excellent lighting.
That was AI Shotcast. Sharp minds, beautiful chaos.
Only for the ice, algorithm.
And a little emotional damage. See you next time.